It's late, so late, and the candlelight paints shadows on the wall of the hallway. I wonder if Terovan sees that as well, if he thinks about me, if he wonders what I'm doing, me. And I wonder if he's alone, if he's in the dungeons, locked up and chained up. Does anyone visit him? Does he want visitors? I push open the door to the library and step inside. It's quiet, too quiet. I thought I'd find answers here, but instead, I feel like I've only found questions. He means Nikolai, though I know he'd never say that out loud. This man is a politician through and through. But Nikolai is the absolute furthest person I can think of from Terovan. I look down to hide my glare. Who paid Master Aldrich in favors or actual funds to stop teaching the king? The wound that left in Terovan is not small. He thinks he has no solid willpower, and even if a king has no desire to be a weaver, every king must have faith in his own will. This man stole that from Terovan, and for what? I don't believe for a minute that the king is too volatile to safely perform weaving, and not forms in my stomach, tight and heavy, or could what Master Aldrich said be true? I'm self-taught. Everything I learned was from the few books I could find and experimenting on my own. But Master Aldrich has the resources of a kingdom and years, decades as a court mage. Could he be right that Terovan's personality is too volatile to be a weaver? Terovan can go from calm to wrath in a heartbeat. Or is it the other way around? Has he been so damaged by being told that he is damaged that he's become volatile? He has reasons, deep reasons, to mistrust those around him. I think I'm right. I think this man in front of me is far more dangerous to the king than his own willpower. Master Aldrich isn't telling me not to teach Terovan. He can't tell me that. I must do what the king wills, and the king outranks everyone in this kingdom. But his warning can easily sabotage whatever Terovan and I have with his learning, if I let it. I understand, I say, and meet his eyes again, and try to let go of my own anger and my defiance as best I can. He nods. You have much potential, Caleb. You've proven that to me these last days, and I would like to train you as my successor in this court. My breath catches. Even as I know that this statement is tied to the last, he not threatening me about teaching Terovan. He can't, but he dangling a bait that would be nearly impossible for me to resist if I really was Caleb, and I'm tempted. I'm so tempted. The king wants me as Caleb. I like my life here as Caleb. I love training with the other mages, feeling like my magic means something here. Like I can truly help here and not be a burden and a pariah. I actually like being Caleb, but whatever Caleb is to me, whatever this has become, it's not all of who I am. Master Aldrich's waiting for my answer. Like a snake luring in his prey, so I smile wide and I nod. Thank you, Master Aldrich. I would like that very much. Good, he says. Of course, we will need to keep this between us for the time being, but I would like to see you an extra hour every few days. I'll let you know when, and I would bet they be days when he knows I am going to teach Terovan. If Terovan ever calls me to teach him again, so I'll see how this plays out, too. Do I have any other choice? My other choice is to leave. But even the memory of that kiss sends a shiver through me. And these threats, all of these people trying to control the space around the king, I don't like that at all.